Yeah, but it's something that's happening all over Central Florida right now. This is from Indialantic. These are from some of the first damage pictures actually that came in today. There was one neighborhood where some wicked, possibly straight line winds. You can see what it's doing to the trees, but it also damaged some roofs on a couple of houses that are next to each other. I don't want to see street fire.
Hi there, if you can hear me, it's Dale from Get Binky. It's currently midnight here at Walt Disney World, Port Orleans. What you're looking at is up to 100-mile-an-hour winds. Now to my left, if you can hear me, you can see a lot of debris. We've got sandbags just outside of our hotel room. And also to here, you can see at the far end of the hall, water is now coming through. And I don't know if you can make it out, but there's also water at the far end over there. So all I'm going to do is just carefully and safely just take a slow move around so you can see what Port Orleans, Walt Disney World looks like at this very moment in time, which is midnight. I'm going to try and upload this as soon as possible. I wanted to get this on my camera because I've been doing some updates for you guys on my phone and the quality's really bad. Wow. I can't believe in a short time that I've been filming how many branches and debris has fallen on these pathways. You can see a little bit of the flood over here, and there's huge branches falling down in the distance over there. I don't know if my camera will even pick it up. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind. But this, what you're looking at, is Port Orleans Riverside. Hurricane Irma is here. It is on top of us. It's just gone midnight here at Port Orleans. Now, if you're watching this and you're coming to Walt Disney World, or you're already at Walt Disney World, Disney have done a great job at looking after us. They've kept us up to date with the latest information, and if you are staying in the resort, use your in-room TV, go to channel 3, and they will give you the latest information on Disney operations, what's happening, what time the food court, etc. is open. But right now it's a curfew. So everyone, including the staff, are inside. Now just to reassure people, Disney have doctors, medics, their own fire department here on site. They are all on standby. I've seen countless amounts of crews here at the ready for what's happening. So I'm just going to go further forwards. I can hear some water coming from somewhere, as in, there we go. What you can see is some of the vehicles that Disney have had to abandon around this resort. There's loads scattered around, and understandably they've had to just leave them and go, get inside. Wow. Jesus Christ. Don't know if you can see this, a light has just gone out. 100-mile-an-hour winds, and that's enough for me to get back inside and give you this update from Port Orleans Riverside. There is water coming in everywhere. All guests stay inside of their rooms, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing now. Guys, I will try my best to give you these updates from Port Orleans, Riverside here at Walt Disney World, Orlando, Florida. If you can hear me, if you are watching this and you have anyone in Florida or you're in Florida, please be safe, look after one another, reach out to those who are in Florida. And yeah, I will be doing as many updates as I can whilst I can be as safe as I can. Take care guys, until the next update, love, respect, get Binky.